Umeko, what are you doing? What is that face? Yeah? What is happening? Umeko, you're ridiculous. Be nice. I don't think she wants to play. You can lie down. Oh, he's so threatening, isn't he? The big wobbly fluff ball. You're gonna get smacked if you're not careful. Do you want me to remove him? He's not doing anything. It's just... yeah. He's just short a couple brain cells. Yeah. He's not mean. He's just a little small-brained. Yeah. There, see? See, look. He's not bothering you. Oh, he's a happy boy. Your face, though. If you don't want to be there, you can leave. You're not trapped. What's up? What did you just do to him? Hey! Oh. You could have laughed. You didn't have to slap him. That's not nice. That's not nice.